If you're not the one, then why does my hand fit yours this way? If you were not mine, then why does your heart return my call? That this much is true, we'll make it through, and I hope you